SciCuriousID presents. What if fire, stone, earth, and ancestry merged into a single ritual capable of feeding an entire village? The burning stone ritual of Papua, often called the stone burning feast or barapan, or Kit Obai Sego, is more than communal cooking. It is geothermal mimicry, thermal engineering, and one of the most spiritually charged traditions in the Pacific.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Practiced across the highland communities of Papua Dani, Mi, Yali, Lani, and others, the ritual begins with heating river stones in massive bonfires until they glow red. These stones are then layered with greens, tubers, beef or chicken or cassowary, and earth. The ritual is performed to settle disputes, honor ancestors, welcome guests, and bind the community. Andesite river stones store high thermal energy due to high specific heat capacity. The stones retain heat for hours, creating a natural convection oven. Rapid cooling fractures only unsuitable stones. Elders select stones based on sound resonance. Heat transfer inside the earth occurs through conduction and convection under pressure. Stone pit mimics geothermal vents where steam, heat, and layered material exchange energy. Slow steam cooking gelatinous tubers at 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Collagen breaks down into gelatin, creating tender textures. Smoke compounds penetrate the greens, adding phenolic aromatics. The pit's humid microenvironment reduces nutrient loss. Banana leaves act as hydrophobic barriers and flavor infusers. Soil insulates the pit, reducing convective heat loss. Burned grass layers add mild alkalinity, influencing flavor and aroma. Fire symbolizes life force. Stones represent earth ancestors and stability. Steam is the mediator between human and spirit realms. The ritual unites the three cosmic layers: land, sky, and ancestral underworld. Circular pits reflect cyclical cosmology. Stone placement follows lineage hierarchy. Older stones at the bottom. Meat allocated according to clan order reinforces ancestral law. The ritual resolves conflict through shared labor. Peace agreements are sealed by consuming the same ancestral heat. The aroma itself is believed to carry blessings upward. Sweet steam from tubers, fatty meat vapors, and smoky banana leaves. Soft tubers, gelatinized meat, and crisp stone-warmed greens. Crackling wood, popping stones, rhythmic chants. Glow of fire against mountain mist, embers reflecting on painted faces. The burning stone ritual of Papua shows how science, spirit, and community merge into a tradition that warms both body and soul. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.